Just woke up. It's a Sunday. It's 2nd of July. I just woke up. Can you tell by my hoarse voice? Can you tell by my voice? Just woke up. Sunday. Wow. I was in bed watching Gilmore Girls. I've been watching. I'm on season 3. Yeah, loving it. My sister's complains. But then why your videos are not working? Because it has nothing except for cats. And I kind of angry. So how they make to lose it? Oh. Oh, I'm scared. I just got back from the gym. Do we see any progress these days? I like going to the gym. It has become a really good habit. Like at first I used to go for the sake of going. Like I was not that really into gymming and lifting weights, but these days I really like releasing the endorphins, like it's so good. Like I am really happy post workout. Like these days, like I like going to the gym. And my friend she lent me this Korean translated book. Oh my god, this is so painful, so vulnerable. I cried today, okay, many times. Let me show you guys. Guys, if any one of you is looking for a book, this is it. Okay, so today I went shopping for my parents' house. I bought chimney and yeah, lots of kitchen appliances. Sweating a lot, but the day was productive, so I'm happy. Okay, I carried this raincoat whole day thinking it will rain, and it didn't rain. Maybe it rained, but I missed out because I was traveling in metro. But I was just coming back to my house and it rained, okay? And I was like, oh, finally this raincoat is coming into use. Look how pretty this is. This is not mine, this is my friend Stani's. Please rain, keep coming. And the girls, look at them, they're just enjoying the rains. But look at the rainbow. Rain, rain, don't go away. You can stay for another day. And I'm very late for my class. Very unhealthy lunch. Coffee on the go at Bistro.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I
to the gym on a rainy day. I have my shoes inside, umbrella in case it rains again, and yeah, OTD for the gym, H&M, Decathlon. Yeah.
no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, is there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just
It has has been raining consecutively for the past 3 days, and it's still raining. It has been like this for the past 3 days. I was loving it at the beginning, but then some time later it was like, okay, stop it now. Done. I'm done with the wetness. I'm done with the rain. And then I have a guest staying with me. So somebody has been taking refuge here.
Coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Hello, it's 16th of July. It's a Sunday and it's my last day here because I'm leaving for home tomorrow. I have my flight in the morning, early morning flight at 5, and I procrastinated to this very end. I know it's a trade, and then I have been complaining about myself for a long time, but then there's no improvement as such. I have to write a paper tonight anyhow. 3,000 words, and it was like I had the time, okay, I had the time, but then I end up watching movies. Kind of embarrassed also. Time and again I'm complaining that I'm procrastinating a lot, and then there's no improvement. I haven't packed yet, and I'm also carrying some heavy wallpapers with me in the luggage, so I'm also kind of stressed about the weight issue. It's only 15 kg. It's SpiceJet. And I just realized that I have nothing to wear in Ladakh. Like, the clothes I have are very improper, like not wearable in Ladakh. So I'm gonna go shopping to Sarojini very last minute, and Nurul is also coming with me. So I'm leaving in next 10 minutes. See you guys at Sarojini. Bye. See you Ladakh. I'm so excited to go home. We are at Deer Park after Sarojini. This is the first time that I only got 3 things from Sarojini for the first time, like bought the least number of things.
I'm teaching Augie to be more sustainable
And not to
practice
hoard things.
restraint and to avoid hoarding. So it's my influence. She bought stuff. Will be for other people, no, not for you.
Yeah. It's just not too late to stay minimalist. I am minimalist. I feel I'm very minimalist in terms of clothes, because what you see, I don't have anything. I have nothing to wear. I have nothing to wear. I feel like I'm very minimalist. And yeah, I bought only 3 things. I bought 3 shirts, and 2 shirts are gifts, okay, so only 1 shirt for myself. And also the fact that because it's Sunday, it was like damn crowded and it was so hot, so we thought, no, it's better to leave only. And then we came to Safdarjung. Wow, this is in Deer Park. So this is Bagh-e-Alam ka Gumbad. Jajang sauce. That's lots of sauce, guys. And we have chupa chup in case it gets spicy, but I have spice tolerance and it's not spicy at all. It's like nothing at all. We have some Pepsi. I just blinked it, this one and this one. And I'm laughing, guys. I hope it's not gone bad. Now packing begins, guys. Whoa! Wallpapers. Oh my. These lampshades. For 2 bedrooms, I got this cream color lampshades. And I got a khadi lamp. This is a standing lamp. So basically I couldn't transport this because there was this fear of squishing these ones, so I was advised to better carry it with me only. I haven't slept at all. Look at my eye patch. That's so See you in late. Bye.